You never know how strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have. Do you have arthritis, joint pain, muscle pain, or somebody around you is suffering from all this pain and you have tried all kind of recipe and it is not working? I tell you, here are some natural recipes you should try. The solution has come.
Here in the blender, I will start by putting 250 milliliters of water. Now, 2 oranges. Let's cut them in half and extract their juice. There's no secret, just squeeze it really well. And just like that, I'll squeeze them all. Okay guys, I have already squeezed the 2 oranges. Now we're going to move to another container and we are going to put our juice in the blender. Now, with 1 carrot already peeled, we will cut it into slices, as you can see in the video. I cut everything. Now let's throw it in our blender. This is delicious, guys, and I'm sure you will love it. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Let's cover our blender and blend for 1 minute. Okay guys, I already beat 1 minute. And let's move here for a glass. And check it out guys, what a beautiful color it is. You can't imagine how tasty this juice is. And if you like recipes like this, comment to me, I love easy recipes. And that was our recipe for today. I hope you enjoyed it. A big hug, and until next time.
Don't just watch, save this video, try this recipe, prepare them, mix them, drink them every day for a quick solution. The more you drink, the more you get solution. No just drink one day and say I did not see any result. It is natural, and anything that comes natural na gradually no be magic. You get me what I'm saying? So in case you have other recipes that you've tried and worked for you, drop it in the comment section. Let people also benefit from it. Now until I come your way next guys with another solution, natural recipe. Don't forget, subscribe or you see me in your dream.